In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail account in Outlook. This process can seem a bit daunting, especially if you're doing it for the first time, but rest assured we'll get through it together in just about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and make your email management a breeze. First things first, you'll want to open up your Outlook application on your computer or device. Outlook is a powerful email client that integrates seamlessly with various email providers, including Gmail, which makes it a popular choice for many users who need to manage multiple email accounts within one interface. Once you have Outlook open, you'll be greeted by the home screen, which is where all your emails will eventually be displayed. Next, you'll need to enter your Gmail address. This step is quite straightforward. Simply type in your complete Gmail address when prompted. It might seem trivial, but make sure you type it correctly to avoid unnecessary troubleshooting later. After entering your email address, you'll see a button that says Continue. Go ahead and click on that to move forward in the setup process. What happens next is that Outlook will automatically open a browser window. This is part of the security protocol to ensure that you're indeed the owner of the Gmail account you're trying to link with Outlook. In this browser window, you'll see a list of Google accounts, so locate and click on the email address you just entered. Once you've selected it, hit the Continue button displayed on the screen. Moving forward, you'll need to allow Outlook to access your Gmail account's data. This is crucial for syncing your emails, contacts, and calendar events between Gmail and Outlook. Look for an option that says Select All, which is essentially allowing Outlook to manage your email information effectively. After you choose this, click on Continue to proceed. A pop-up window should then appear, prompting you to open in Outlook app. Clicking this will redirect you back to the Outlook app itself, finalizing the linking process between the two platforms. Lastly, be sure to follow any remaining prompts or instructions that Outlook provides to complete the setup process. This might include signing into your Gmail account one more time, or verifying some settings depending on your specific Outlook version. And there you have it. By now, your Gmail account should be comfortably nestled within your Outlook app, ready for you to read, send, and manage emails effortlessly. Remember, having your Gmail account in Outlook allows you to harness the best features of both platforms, making your email workflow much more efficient. Thank you for joining me in this setup tutorial, and I hope you feel more confident using Outlook with your Gmail account.